Hey guys, and welcome to the maiden flight of the AOS 7. Today, in very frosty conditions, we are flying at minus 7 degrees Celsius. That is really freezing cold. And a good stress test for the batteries and the overall build. But since it's very heavy and the throttle point might be high, for the maiden flight I was hoping for warmer conditions. However, if this little guy can go out here, then we can do as well, right? Let's roll the intro. Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. The build is over. Our AOS Falcon 7 is ready for its maiden flight. Counter-Strike hands with tripod weapon. And we're at the flying field. Everything nice, crunchy, frosted. Great lighting conditions also for the DJI Action 2. This time producing maybe better images than last time. We are shooting in 2.7K in 60 frames per second, and we are flying 1.6S lithium ion pack with 4200 milliamps with bi-blade 7-inch props. Let's take a look at some details after the first part of the flight. Let's take the AOS Falcon for a spin. And here the first part of our maiden flight comes to an end. It was really flying nice, not too floaty at all, even though we had some chunky weight because of the battery on board. We are flying the INR 21700 P42A lithium ion packs produced by Cosmic Power. I got mine from FPV Cycle, however on that website they are all sold out right now, so if you want to get one you might have to look and search elsewhere. For the second part of the maiden flight, we will throw another pack on. So we have two very heavy lithium ion packs. And that will increase the throttle point, it will increase the stress on the ESCs. But the quad can drink with 2 straws, so we double also the C rating for basically better performance. How much of the performance gains are eaten up by the additional weight? Well, let's find out. We are back, and that concludes our maiden flight day. I was still very surprised how great the throttle point actually was. I was expecting much worse. Not just for the throttle point, also for the floatiness of the quad. But that's not the case, it flies great. I didn't push it too much because we have -7 degrees and battery sack and the first flight, well, everything at the same day is a little bit too much to test. So I will do that in warmer weather conditions in the next flights. I will also revisit the choice of props. Today we have bi-bladed props and they're having enough pitch to produce ample thrust for today's weather conditions. But I also have a few sets of 7-inch tri-bladed ones on hand and I will test them out. Probably there might be some choice of prop which is actually complementing this build better. We will find out in the next flights. If you have any thoughts on that, please leave your comments below and give some advice what kind of prop you would choose for this build. And as always guys, thanks for watching. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, that would be really appreciated. Have a great rest of the day, stay safe and see you in the next one.